Right, welcome back. Let's do question 3b2. A triangle ABC has sides AB 3 units, BC 9 units, and AC 10 units. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Right, how do you find the area of triangles that are not right angled? We have to use the area rule. And remember that the area rule, we have to have two sides and an included angle. For us to be able to use the area rule, we must have two sides and an included angle. So it means two sides and an angle between them. Okay. Remember in the previous question 3b1, we calculated the size of angle A. So we said that this angle A here is 62 degrees, 62,2 degrees. Okay, so it is an included angle if you look at sides AB and AC. So we can use the area rule to find the area of this triangle. Let's just do that. So area of triangle ABC, okay, it is equal to half, right, half what? Half BC and then sine A. Half BC sine A. Remember that. So this side is A, this side is B, this side is C. Okay. So if we had angle C here, it was going to be what? It was going to be half AB sine C. If we had the angle B here, it was going to be half AC sine B. Okay. Right. So we're given this side and the angle. So that's why we have half BC sine A. Okay, right. So let's substitute what we have here. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half. Then B is 10 units. C is 3 units. And then sine 62,2 degrees. Okay, and then we just put this in the calculator. You get our answer. It's very easy, isn't it? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 13,3 square units. That's the area there that you're supposed to get. Okay, right. We're going to meet when you do question 4. Thank you very much.